So first of all, as you can see, we can play different notes. We can also change the pitch of the note. Then we can also change different note generations. So this is square wave. Then we have triangle. Then we have envelope. Then we have sine wave. Then we have AR, so burst. Great. You can also change the octave using the joystick. So let's go back to the normal square wave. You can change the volume. Go up. Cool. You can also use polyphony by playing different notes together. Great. Now let's get into one of the main advanced features, which is recording. So if I press on this button, and then I'll wait for the bar to go, I can now start recording the track. And then it plays back. I can also play it faster by changing the BPM. And then I can overlay a different track on top of it. So if I slow it back down, for example, and then try to start recording, different wave. It records two samples together. So now let's try to record a full song. Put the volume up, use a sine wave, lower the octave, test it, and then play it. Use a different track, hide the octave, put a sine,